The Kraš Ecological Park is situated in the village of Bratina, the municipality of Pisarovina, an exceptionally beautiful region near the Kupa River, about a 30-minute drive southwest of Zagreb. The pristine forest-covered hills and wet river valleys of the region are an ideal holiday destination for both sports and recreation enthusiasts and families seeking quiet and relaxed holidays. The ecological park covers 422 acres of meadows, lakes, forests and fields used for organic agriculture. There is also organic cattle farming on a farm next to the park. Walking around the park and its vicinity, one can come across deer, rabbits, pheasants, gray partridges, woodcocks, or some other of the 30 bird species living in the area. A shooting field with 100 firing points facing northwest will be set up in the Kraš Ecological Park for the 16th IAU Crossbow World Championships. As it is an outdoor venue, wind is to be expected during competition. There will be enough beach umbrellas, chairs, refrigerators with water, and toilets. Accommodation for most championships participants will be provided in the Kraš Ecological Park and the I-Hotel in Zagreb. The Kraš Ecological Park has 11 bungalows with a total of 80 beds. All bungalows are new, built in 2011, so you will be among the first guests there. Each bungalow has bedrooms, a kitchen, bathroom, living area, TV, and air conditioning. All bungalows have internet access. There is a large restaurant in the central part of the ecological park. We trust that you will enjoy meals prepared with seasonal organic foods grown in the park's gardens and traditional specialities prepared using recipes of our ancestors. During the championships, the restaurant will only be open to the participants of the championships. The 100-seat restaurant also has a beautiful outdoor terrace with 70 seats overlooking a lake. There is also a garden pavilion with barbecue possibility, where championships participants will be invited to spend their leisure time. Music and entertainment program will be provided there daily. Numerous outdoor activities will be available to championships participants. There is an artificial turf football pitch, tennis courts, a volleyball court, a bocce court, and an outdoor swimming pool. One can also take a boat ride on the lake or visit a small zoo with deer, horses, donkeys, sheep, and goats. Anglers are advised to bring their fishing gear with them, as there are numerous lakes in the vicinity with different fish species in them. The area is also ideal for hiking and biking. The ecological park was developed by Kraš, Croatia's leading confectionery company founded over a century ago, in 1911. Its high-quality production in accordance with international standards encompasses all three confectionery categories: cocoa products, biscuits and wafers, and sugar confectionery. And it includes numerous brands well known to a wide international customer base, such as Bayadera, Griotte and Dorina chocolates, Kiki and Brownie toffees, and so on. Due to limited accommodation capacity in the Kraš Ecological Park, please book accommodation as early as possible. Potential advance payments will secure accommodation in this beautiful park. Welcome.